Hello everyone. Today we are going to meet India's first Field Marshal, Sam Manekshaw. Sam Manekshaw had an illustrious military career which spanned over 4 decades. During World War II, Captain Manekshaw received 9 bullets and was fatally injured. Seeing Manekshaw in this condition, Major General D.T. Cowan, without losing a moment, quickly took off his military cross ribbon and pinned it on Manekshaw in the battlefield itself, as military cross cannot be awarded to a dead person. However, Sam Manekshaw had great willpower and did not succumb to the severe bullet injuries. When Manekshaw was taken to the hospital, the doctor asked Sam, "What has happened to you, Captain?" Even during this critical state, Sam replied, "Oh, nothing much, doctor. A donkey happened to kick me." In 1965, as the General Officer Commanding in Chief, Eastern Command, he advised the government against attacking the then East Pakistan, as the innocent people would be the main sufferers. His career came to a halt when he faced an inquiry for 18 months on allegations which subsequently proved to be baseless. Yet, he did not lose faith in himself. In the 1970s, there was enormous political pressure on Manekshaw to start a war in East Pakistan, now Bangladesh. Let's have a glimpse of the conversation between the then Honorable Prime Minister Mrs. Indira Gandhi and General Manekshaw. India should take military action against Pakistan to liberate East Pakistan. It will take me at least a month to get all the divisions back and put them in correct positions. In June, it will be nearly impossible for the troops to move due to monsoon. Further, there is a threat of Chinese intrusion. Even then, if you wish me to enter Pakistan, I guarantee you 100% defeat. If you allow me to plan, make my arrangements and fix a date, I guarantee you 100% victory. Manekshaw's meticulous planning led to the fastest and the greatest military victory for India. Now, let's pause the video and take time to think about these questions. Following India's victory under Manekshaw's leadership, he suggested that the honor and credit should go to his army commander in the East, Lieutenant General Jagjit Singh Arora. After the war, Manekshaw came to be known for his humane approach towards the prisoners of war. He ensured that they were treated well and allowed them to celebrate festivals and receive parcels and copies of the Quran. He took extra care by asking such questions to the prisoners of war. One of his admirable qualities was that he always finished his own work so that he gets to spend the rest of his time visiting from one office to another, eagerly helping the juniors with their tasks. Once, Manekshaw helped a young army officer with his luggage, who did not recognize Manekshaw. Officer said, "What do you do here?" To which Sam replied, "I help officers like you with their luggage every day, but I do in my pastime command this infantry division." Now, let's pause the video and take time to think about the qualities that Field Marshal Sam Manekshaw demonstrated in each of these instances. Now, let's pause the video again and take time to think about these questions. Here are some awards and titles that Field Marshal Sam Manekshaw received during his lifetime. Do you think Field Marshal Sam Manekshaw was an awakened citizen? Think and write after reading more about him.